Today's video is specially for the beginners. Today I'll show you how to use canvas keys. Before that, some of you may be thinking, what are canvas keys? Why are these keys used? And why are these keys so important? Let me tell you, canvas keys is basically used to stretch and tighten your canvas board. Today I am using this camel canvas board with wooden framing. The dimension is 30 by 40 centimeter. And here are the canvas keys. I will show you how to insert these keys.
Let's start the unboxing first. Please follow the steps to understand this better. These are the keys. There are total number of 8 keys. 2 keys for each corner. You can see. Now we will start. Now I will show you how to insert these keys one by one. See the corner, the sharp, the pointed one should be placed like this. Hold it tightly and push. Then repeat the same with the second one. Do remember the corner, and the pointed one should be inside the hole. Like this. Same with the another one. Now the third corner. There are basically 2 methods to insert these keys. And the first one which I am showing you is the best one. In the next video I will show you the second one, how to insert the keys in the second way. But according to me, this is the best, because it helps to tighten the canvas. This is the last one. All 4 sides are completed. Now the last step. Use a hammer or anything. In this way your canvas will be perfect for painting. hope you all have understood how to use the canvas keys. Now my canvas is ready for painting. See. Tap it and check whether your canvas is tight or not.
Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.